Do you make sushi and you happen to have leftover nori? Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make nori no tsukudani. It sounds like a long name. And you had never heard this name before, but this is very popular food in Japan and very good with plain rice. I make sushi or onigiri and use nori, but sometimes, most likely often, I have leftover. And nori get soggy very quickly. And maybe you have nori left over, but you don't know what to do because you don't know when the next time you're gonna make sushi, or you forgot you had nori and maybe in your pantry or the refrigerator. So those nori is the best use up for this dish, and I will show you how to make it. And this is the tip, and don't skip this step, because if you skip this one, nori doesn't get melt very well. So you really need to do this. Soak nori in those liquids. Usually nori and natto separate to eat. I don't have any of my friends telling me that they eat this way, but I discovered this is pretty good, so I will introduce you. I put nori and natto together and mix with it and put on the rice, and that is very good. So I'll show you the short video for that extra. So this is how to make nori no tsukudani today. If you like my YouTube video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time very soon.